This is a quick video on how to use a USB drive to make TV recordings on a free satellite TV receiver, such as the one I'm using here today, the Amiko Mini HD265. Using a USB drive to record TV programs nowadays is the equivalent of using a beta or VHS to record TV programs on a cassette back in the 80s or 90s. And by the way, this thing still works perfectly. Insert the USB flash drive into one of the ports on the side of the receiver. A message appears on the screen confirming the USB is installed. Select the channel you want to record. Press the record button on the remote. A sign appears in the top right corner telling you the program is being recorded. When you wish to stop recording, simply push Stop on the remote. And a menu on screen asks you yes or no to stop recording. Select yes and hit OK. To play back your recording, press the menu key. And pressing the menu key brings you to the main menu, and you want to next select Media by hitting OK, and Record. That's where all of your recordings will be stored. Press OK again. And here's the recording we just made. To play it back, press OK again. And now you can view your recording. And when you're finished watching, just press Stop again, and then use the exit button to back out of the menu. Recording with a free satellite TV receiver is very similar to using a digital converter box with an antenna. One difference with free satellite TV, though, is that program information is usually not transmitted. So you can see here I have a list of recordings I've made, and they're only named by the channel that they were on. But if you look on the right side of the screen, there are options to rename and sort your recordings to keep them more organized.